Yep. That was way loud.
Getting a pipe on her.
Got them fresh NASCAR dirt track wheels for the old Chevette. Coming in hot.
I mean, look at them things in motion. Forget about it.
Putting the old PCM in, engine's in, throttle cable's done. Just waiting on wiring. Just waiting on wiring. Are you ready to wire this thing? You need to get a haircut before LS Fest.
I'll tell you what. I'll do me.
You do you, man. Chevette update, little wiring going on. Loud as in here. Just a mess. That Die Hard in there. PSI. A little Chevette update on the exhaust. We just got it running. And twice pipes with that good muffler.
Don't bark.
Get a video once it's up and in.
You really getting into the music?
I don't even know what fucking song this is.
You drinking and driving?
Drinking. Driving.
I'm watching a little, what's that one? I remember my first beer.
See. All right, Fuller's in a hurry. Ready for the maiden voyage.
Let's roll.
We're leaving tomorrow with that QP9 under there. Some badass dirt track wheels. What? Brian fucking Tooley. Hold on.
Just get a video close up.
You want Ellie?
What are you, boozing? You booze hound?
The booze you lose, kid.
Hey, you drink the booze, you're gonna fucking lose.
All right, the night before LS Fest, we're gonna fucking load this thing up. We're ready to go. Cody, grab the dough.
How's she run?
Running fucking tough. Bye, Bo. All right, we're all loaded up for LS Fest East. It's late night, late night. Got the cart. Got that Dale Chevette. Psh. Got this badass 59 we built, GMC. Psh. Let's do it.